as India and Korea come together to strengthen bonds in medicine and research. The much-awaited India-Korea Medical and Research Summit, organized by NKTL in collaboration with AIBT Access to International Bilateral Trade, opened its doors today. The event proudly displayed the participation of distinguished leaders, entrepreneurs, and visionaries. This summit showcased cutting-edge Korean medical enterprises, with pioneering research and innovation on display. Entrepreneurs, innovators, and healthcare companies from Korea presented their expertise and explored potential collaborations with India's fast-growing healthcare sector. From advanced medical devices to futuristic research concepts, the Korean presence made the summit vibrant and forward-looking. As the summit progressed, the auditorium became a true meeting ground of cultures. Korean entrepreneurs from diverse sectors, healthcare technology, pharmaceuticals, biotech research, and hospital management, mingled with Indian doctors, researchers, and corporate leaders. Conversations flowed freely, with Koreans discussing ideas amongst themselves and Indians engaging in thought-provoking exchanges. This atmosphere reflected the true spirit of global collaboration, where dialogue and partnership pave the way for breakthrough innovation. The arrival of the Hon'ble Minister for Health and Family Welfare of Karnataka, Shri Dinesh Gundu Rao, elevated the event with great dignity. He was warmly welcomed by the organizers, esteemed delegates, and international guests. His presence symbolized the state's commitment to fostering healthcare advancements through global partnerships. The summit was formally inaugurated with the traditional lamplighting ceremony. Leading the auspicious beginning was Shri Dinesh Gundu Rao, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, joined by distinguished Korean representatives, senior officials, and healthcare leaders. This moment truly embodied the spirit of illumination, marking the dawn of a new chapter in India-Korea relations. The India-Korea Medical and Research Summit brought together top Indian institutions such as CMC, Manipal, and other leading hospitals and universities from across the nation. Korean healthcare companies and research organizations joined hands with these Indian counterparts to explore innovations in medical technology, healthcare delivery, and cross-border research opportunities. The discussions revolved around strengthening bilateral cooperation, sharing expertise in advanced treatments, and co-developing medical technologies for the future. Leaders emphasized the importance of collaboration to not only improve patient care but also to unlock new pathways in medical research. The contributions of AIBT and NKTL, along with the tireless efforts of Sean, and Naveen Kaval, were specially recognized. Their vision and dedication laid the foundation for this impactful partnership, one that aims to drive innovation, enhance healthcare services, and open doors for new bilateral trade opportunities in the medical sector. With industry leaders, doctors, researchers, and policymakers under one roof, the summit successfully created a global forum of ideas. It marked a milestone in India-Korea cooperation, carrying the promise of transforming patient care, accelerating research initiatives, and advancing medical technologies for years to come.
Transformation in the way this country runs, and the economic power of this country also has been unleashed. So there is a lot of business to be done in India because it's a big country, and it's a huge market by itself. The country itself is a huge market, and this definitely attracts the global attention. People from all over the world will also want to have a share in Indian market, and along with that, to be able to access the knowledge and the resources that India has got. So we are, one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and we have a young population, so that even in the future there is a lot of scope for not only using skilling our people, using our resources, not only for the benefit of this country but globally also. So India is definitely it is there on the global map, and Korea is another country which has done wonderfully well. It's really grown and developed, and is one of the leading economic powerhouse in Asia. I mean, earlier it used to be Japan, which was one of the most fastest growing and developing country. And I think Korea, in the last 30 years, has seen such a huge transformation, and they've been able to become global leaders, not just in their own country, but across the world. Korean companies are today well known, right? Whether in terms of electronics or so many other sectors that are connected to the automobile sector, consumer goods sector. So many sectors where knowledge and research and innovative products. So they become global brands. Companies like Samsung, which is competing with in the entire world, and it has come out of South Korea. And you have automobile companies and consumer good companies. I think Huawei is also from South Korea. No, they are China. Huawei is from China, and you have Samsung, you have Kia, which is from South Korea, and there are so many other brands which have made a mark globally. So it is a country which is really. I think there is so much scope for trade between the two of us. And I think the trade that is happening right now can really be doubled or tripled also. And India is also supplying a lot of resources in terms of minerals and ores, and even so many other sectors, in manufacturing, machine parts, all that. A lot of export going on to Korea, and Korea is also, I think, the exports from Korea to India is more than the exports from India to Korea. So more goods coming in from Korea than going from India to Korea. So there is a trade imbalance, but that's fine because the goods that Korea make is also has a huge market here in India. So I think the delegation that has come here from Korea are looking for various, I don't know exactly what is their focus, what are they looking at, but definitely opportunities in terms of pharmaceuticals, in terms of textiles, in terms of in Bangalore, we have our IT sector and biotechnology and artificial intelligence. These are all the aerospace. These are all big strengths of Bengaluru and Karnataka, and we are the IT capital of the country, a software city, and science and research and all the leading global brands are all in Bengaluru. All their research hubs are also in Bangalore. So we are a city which I think there could be a lot of opportunities for both of us, and I'm hopeful that the delegation from Korea that has come here will be able to capitalize on it and explore. And if there is anything that they need from the government side, definitely we are there to support and help. We are there with you. Even healthcare also. Healthcare is, of course, healthcare is something that we are a leading. Karnataka also is very, very good in healthcare and healthcare professionals, whether you have technicians and nurses and doctors. So we've always been known for, having good medical colleges, medical schools, good hospitals, and a lot of research also happens here in terms of medical technologies. We have the Institute of Science and so many other research organizations. All the global big brands in medical technology are all are here. GE, Philips, and all these companies. All of them have got a base. Astra, Zeneca, all of them have got a base in Bangalore. So I think there is opportunity even in the health sector, and anything that any particular focus that Korea has got, definitely you can convey it to us, and we will see that how we can be of assistance there. And I think there is lots that we can do together. even pharma sector, though Karnataka is not the leading pharma manufacturing state, but we, in terms of good quality products, we are doing very well. And of course, Hyderabad is very big in pharma, but pharmaceutical is there in Karnataka also, and we have a lot of good companies which are manufacturing good quality products, which are going globally. So we are definitely there are opportunities, and anything you need and anything that you want from the government, I'm there to assist. And let's hope that this is a beginning of a new and wonderful partnership. So thank you very much, and I welcome all the delegates from Korea who come all the way from Korea to Karnataka, and I hope your visit will be nice, fruitful, and enjoyable. Thank you.
Distinguished guests on the dais, my esteemed friends, it is with immense pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to delegates from Korea who have arrived in Bangalore to participate in this event. This occasion promises to reshape the future of healthcare, anesthetic, and international business partnership with Indian companies. We owe our presence here today to dedicated efforts of Ms. Ja Young-koo and Sean Russell. We would like to express, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to both of them for their gracious invitation for this gathering. Thank you.
I'm Naveen Kaval, and one more thing which I would emphatically tell is what we are doing today will give dividends 10 years from now, because India is already into the superpower league, but here when we forge alliances with different countries, what we can see is maybe 2-3 years from now, as I'm from the medical background, there will be cure for diabetes, there will be cure for cancer, because we are into the what we call as genetic engineering. Perhaps today the medicines which we are giving to the patients, in the future it will be all about gene therapy. It will be all about stem cell therapy. And this is what we are looking for, the beginning. It's a beginning for a great future for Indian community, both in terms of medical science as well as all other technological aspects. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Vilma, Professor HOD of Biochemistry from Akash Institute of Medical Sciences. I'm here to present a topic on stem cell therapy. As we know that India is also working on stem cell therapy, a lot of research work is going on. At the same time, South Korea is also in forefront in stem cell therapy research activities. So it is a better opportunity for India to collaborate with South Korea for stem cell therapy research. Thank you.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಇಂಡೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಸ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಏಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅವರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಿಟ್ನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. I am Deepak Suman from Lions Blood Center from Mahavir Jain Hospital. We also work with the Lions Club with all the service activities and the blood donation drives with the summit. Always we have been look forward to support each other for the betterment of the community. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Koo Cha-young from South Korea. I'm founder of AIBT UAE. So I'm so happy to introduce about me and my country and my company to the people in India. So AIBT is the access of international bilateral trade. So we always focus on the facilitating the all people and the all nation and all countries and all businessmen which want to expand their business around the world. We are not just focusing on India and Korea, and we always are ready to help you to make all the business and collaboration and cooperation.
Thank you.
I am Shan Russell. I am a co-founder of AIBT UAE, and it's my privilege and pleasure to invite Kujayang Shine to India and getting the connections done between India and Korea. We wanted to bring a strong bilateral trade connection in 2025-2030. In another 5 years, we wanted to build a better connection with India and Korea. So we seek your support, we seek your all the blessings from all the people who wanted to do the business with South Korea. You may please come, and we are here to help you to take care of your all legal aspect, everything. In anything that you wanted to do this, we are here to help you. So we are glad that you are here, and please do meet all the companies from Korea who have come.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮಿಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ನಾವು ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಈ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ 2025. ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬೋತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೊರಿಯನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅವರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೋತ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ, ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ, ಮಿಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.